Why do you work continuously with respite? तुम बिना आराम किए लगातार काम क्यों करते हो? Why do you work continuously with respite? I had no respite in my sister's wedding. मेरी बहन की शादी में मुझे थोड़ी सी भी फुर्सत नहीं मिली. I had no respite in my sister's wedding. Children always clutter the room. बच्चे हमेशा कमरे को अस्त व्यस्त बना देते हैं. Children always clutter the room. Don't clutter your mind with useless things. बेकार की चीज़ों से अपने दिमाग को अस्त व्यस्त मत बनाओ. Don't clutter your mind with useless things. I am in dire need of help. मुझे मदद की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. I am in dire need of help. He is shivering with while speaking. It means he is in dire fear. वो बोलते समय कांप रहा है. इसका मतलब है वो बहुत ज़्यादा डर में है. He is shivering with while speaking. It means he is in dire fear. It's such a formidable task to do. यह सच में एक डर पैदा कर देने वाला काम है. It's such a formidable task to do. He met with a formidable accident. उसका एक दिल दहला देने वाला एक्सीडेंट हुआ. He met with a formidable accident. There was nothing but dark in the cellar. तहखाने में अंधेरा ही अंधेरा था. There was nothing but dark in the cellar. Open the warehouse. गोदाम खोल दो. Open the warehouse. Warehouse is still closed. गोदाम अभी भी बंद है. Warehouse is still closed. He still lives in the hut. वो अभी भी झोपड़ी में रहता है. He still lives in the hut. Wipe your sweat. अपना पसीना पोंछो. Wipe your sweat. I am sweating a lot. मुझे बहुत पसीना आ रहा है. I am sweating a lot. The clock is ticking. घड़ी टिक टिक कर रही है. The clock is ticking. Small children often dribble. छोटे बच्चों के अक्सर लार टपकती है. Small children often dribble. Don't tempt him. उसे बहकाओ मत. Don't tempt him. She started scolding me. वो मुझे फटकारने लगी. She started scolding me. She was humming the song. वो गाना गुनगुना रही थी. She was humming the song. He patted me on the back. उसने मेरी पीठ थपथपाई. He patted me on the back. Please don't interfere in my life. कृपया मेरी जिंदगी में हस्तक्षेप ना करें. Please don't interfere in my life. Hurry up, or we'll miss the train. जल्दी करो नहीं तो हमारी ट्रेन छूट जाएगी. Hurry up, or we'll miss the train. He is worth praising. वो तारीफ के काबिल है. He is worth praising. His arrogant nature always irritates me. उनका घमंडी स्वभाव मुझे हमेशा परेशान करता है. His arrogant nature always irritates me. I fumbled during my presentation. मैं अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन देते वक्त गड़बड़ा गया. I fumbled during my presentation. He is not altogether wrong. पूरी तरह से उसकी गलती नहीं थी. He is not altogether wrong. It has cost me 5,000 rupees altogether. कुल मिलाकर मुझे इसके 5,000 रुपये लगे हैं. It has cost me 5,000 rupees altogether. I don't want to impose it on you. मैं तुम पर लादना नहीं चाहती हूँ. I don't want to impose it on you. The bird is sat on the tree. चिड़िया डाली पर बैठी है. The bird is sat on the tree. He was hanging on the branch. वो डाली पर लटक रहा था. He was hanging on the branch. This is a rose leaf. ये गुलाब की पत्ती है. This is a rose leaf. Leaves are falling. पत्तियाँ गिर रही है. Leaves are falling. After the movie, we were so tired that we couldn't shopping. हम मूवी के बाद इतना थक गए कि शॉपिंग के लिए नहीं जा सके. After the movie, we were so tired that we couldn't shopping. By the time we reached home, we were exhausted. जब तक हम घर पहुँचे हम बहुत थक चुके थे. By the time we reached home, we were exhausted. I had a bad day. मेरा दिन खराब गया. I had a bad day. I don't like that restaurant. Their food is awful. मुझे वो रेस्टोरेंट बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं. उनका खाना बहुत खराब होता है. I don't like that restaurant. Their food is awful.